Give him a kiss again, Conan. Give Bo a kiss. Oh, that's nice. Give him a kiss on the nose. On his nose. Where's his nose? That's not his nose. Conan, his nose is over here.
Cute. He wrapped his arms around.
I'm videoing it.
Huh?
That was close. He's funny, huh? You like him?
That was like kissing a girl.
Kiss him like your mommy. Give your mommy a kiss. You're kissing the horse. Oh, he's gonna give you a hug.
Going in this way.